Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to enable navigation bar on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. Well, the navigation bar enhances accessibility by providing a user-friendly interface for users to interact with their devices. It offers a visual representation of navigation control that can be easily accessed by users, including those with physical limitation or disabilities. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, open the settings app on your device. So here, scroll down and select the system option. After that, you can choose system navigation in this section. And then, enable the 3-button navigation option. Okay, by accessing the system settings and selecting this navigation style, you can use 3 on-screen buttons for navigation: back, home, and recent apps. This navigation setup provides a traditional and straightforward way to navigate through your device interface, allowing you to easily switch between apps, go back to previous screens, and return to the home screen. Enabling the 3-button navigation system offers a familiar and user-friendly navigation experience on your device. Well, that's the tutorial on how to enable navigation bar on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get all the information from this channel. Thank you.